Heart sounds lub-dub. Heart sounds are produced from blood flowing through the heart chambers as the cardiac valves open and close. First heart sound S1 is produced by the vibrations generated by the closure of atrioventricular valves, which are mitral and tricuspid valves. That is, when the atria empties its blood into ventricles, these valves close and produce the sound, which is lub. Second heart sound is produced by the vibrations generated by the closure of aortic and pulmonary valves at the end of systole, that is, when the ventricles empties its blood, the second heart sound is produced, which is dub.